Alright guys, 1998 Honda Civic 4-cylinder. We're gonna do the oil change on this car. So once you have the car up in the air, you're gonna be looking at this oil pan right here. This is the drain plug right here. We're gonna remove that. That's number 17. Alright, so we're gonna take number 17 and we're gonna loosen that drain. And we're gonna let the oil go down into this bucket. Make sure you have a drain bucket to catch the oil into. Don't make a mess. And then after that, there's a filter up there all the way on the top. We're gonna change that filter also. So you take number 17 counterclockwise, loosen that bolt. Once you have that bolt loose, you can put up your drain bucket like that, just like that. And we're gonna remove that drain plug. And all the oil is gonna come into this bucket. Alright, we're gonna give this like good 10 minutes for the oil to drain out. And then we'll come right back. Alright guys, the oil finished draining, is dripping, and it's time to lock up this drain bolt. So all you do is you take that drain bolt, you put the drain bolt on and catch the threads by hand, and after that just lock it up, tighten it up, hand tight. Don't super duper tighten it, you might crack the pan or strip the threads, and that's it. Alright, next we're gonna go all the way up there. I might not be able to catch this on the camera, I'll try to, but from this angle. And he's gonna turn that filter. And losing that filter out, it's gonna have oil in it, so be careful. Let the oil drip out just like that. Alright, so you keep turning that filter. Till you get it out. And if the oil is hot, be careful. Alright, so I'm gonna wait till he brings the filter down and then I'll record again. Alright, he's coming down with the filters coming out. There he goes. That's the filter. Just make sure the old seal comes out with the filter. You can look up on the top of the housing, there's no seal up there. Sometimes if you forget the seal, it's gonna leak oil, alright? So be careful. And then you take the filter, make sure you put a little bit of oil like he's doing on this one, on the seal. That's gonna help it slide and slip right on. If you don't do that, the seal might catch a grip and then it might just twist off. Alright, so the filter is ready to go up. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the filter. That's the filter right there. You're gonna take it up there. You're gonna catch the threads first by hand. It's not enough clearance for the camera to catch a good view. And make sure the filter is nice and tight, hand tight. You don't want to damage the threads. And that's it. After that, just wipe off this extra oil and you're done. And we'll go up. We'll bring the car down. We'll go up on the hood and put the oil in. Alright guys, now we're gonna put oil in this car. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this cap. We're gonna put 4 quarts of oil in this car, and we're gonna use our regular oil. We're not gonna use the synthetic because this car is a little aged out and it's leaking a little bit of oil. All right, we got 2 quarts in there. Those are the quarts over there. This is the 30 quart. We're gonna put 1 more, and that's it. And then you can check the oil level in this car and put a sticker for oil mileages for the next oil change, and you're done. And that's how you do oil change on a 1998 Honda Civic, not a 2000. Put it normally now. Alright, so after we're done putting this oil, we're gonna put the cap back on. Alright, don't forget to put the cap back on, because if you forget, it's gonna leak a lot of oil. All the oil's gonna go all over, and you don't want that. So we're gonna take out this funnel and put the cap on. And that's it. Now we're done and everything is finished.